I could grow a hamburger from seed to taco bun.
Yo, we killed it right away.
Yo. Yo.
Yeah, this thing. Oh, it's making some kind of noise. Don't want to fry your battery.
Yeah.
Probably shorting out. Okay. Ooh, oh, we're stopping it. Yo.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it recovered.
It recovered.
We're not recovering. I'm feeling to its death.
I want to explode.
Okay.
Yo, it's shaking.
Bring it closer so the power's more stronger. Yeah.
Yo, it's red.
Oh, okay. Just makes it change color, maybe.
Yo, why is it red?
It's a little bit stronger.
Oh boy, it's hot. Guys, let's see what happened to the soccer ball helicopter.
Oh, I see the wires. They melted right here from the battery.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at the battery. It's puffed up. Oh no, it doesn't want to spin, Z.
Oh,
The motor itself doesn't want to spin.
okay.
So the motor's seized up. Yeah, this thing is toast, guys.
Yeah, no more soccer. Soccer helicopter. We can see where the beam is going with the laser. Oh, that one.
It's getting brighter and brighter. I don't want to pop it.
That one was.
Or do you want me to smoke it?
You can smoke.
Okay.
Not hot. Not hot.
Oh. Yo.
Yo.
Whoa. Okay. What if I bring it over here? Okay, I don't want to be exposed to the radiation. So
Yeah.
let's turn it off, and then I'll put it in front. Almost. There we go.
Wow. Instantly.
Instantly.
Oh,
Sparking?
one of them sparked.
Any smell?
Not from here.
No.
Look at this buggy. Oh. Yeah.
This is gonna cook it. This is gonna be the future of cooking, right?
Hey guys, I'm gonna plug in the solenoid into a battery and see if it's gonna work. Okay guys, whoever wanted the chicken nugget, it's now ready. It's all yours.
It smells good, guys. It's pretty hot. All right. Is that the end of our experiments?
Yeah.
All right.